Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Zadie and I am 36 weeks pregnant with baby number 2. And I wanted to film what's in my hospital bag video because, I mean, to be honest, I did a pretty good job my first time around with my first baby, and it's because I was researching day and night the second I found out I was pregnant with her of what to actually bring in your hospital bag. So I actually watched my own video to see what I packed and pretty much followed that. And I've changed a couple things, and with us having a baby while, you know, COVID is a thing, there's a couple different things in the bag, but I feel like I got it down. I feel like I'm pretty prepared. So let's just see what I'm packing. So first things first, I have on top of my bag a post-it note for my husband of things he needs to pack, because he's not gonna pre-pack. It's just not gonna happen. And I think the things that he wants to pack are things that he wears like every day. So in case you're curious and want to write a list for your significant other, I put pajamas / sweats, underwear, socks, a sweatshirt, a hoodie, deodorant, toothbrush, charger, AirPods, and his mask. And I also put hair product, like if he wants to do his hair, but we'll see. I feel like he was way more stressed than I was when we had to hurry and leave for the hospital, and I don't think he had a list last time. Maybe he did, but I just think this is nice for them to have. And then I'm also we're bringing our own blankets, so I got mine and I need to wash his, but it's, to me, this, I didn't have this last time. I didn't have my own blanket and I wish I did. It's way more comforting to have your own, and it's so cold in the room. And then one more sticky note of items for me to grab last minute is my face wash, my glasses, my charger, my pillow, camera equipment, AirPods, my straightener, and makeup. When I had Brinley, our first daughter, I think I put makeup on the last day, like the day that we were leaving, and same with my hair. I'm hoping to have my hair curled that day just because I like how that looks best on me. But you can do that with a straightener, so I'm not going to bring like a curling iron and a straightener. Just want to bring one. And yeah, stop shaming. I see so many comments on like what's in my hospital bag videos of shaming women for bringing makeup to the hospital. And I don't understand why we need to shame someone who just had a baby and you feel like crap. You don't, I think most of us just kind of feel pudgy and gross. And if putting on makeup makes you feel better, then do it. Okay, so let's actually get into what's inside the bag. I'm using the same bag as the first time. I just got it from probably like Ross. I don't remember. Ross or TJ Maxx, something like that. So it has wheels, and I feel like it's perfect size. I still have extra room in here. But let's see what's inside. Okay, first thing I have, snacks. Honestly, this is a smart idea, and even if you don't end up eating it, probably your husband or boyfriend or whoever's there will want to. So just throw some on top. This is a little baby nightlight. Also, I apologize for the lighting. I'm in our master because I don't want to film in the nursery yet. Nursery tour is coming soon. I'm excited, but that's why I don't want to film in there yet. And this is like the only spot that I could really prop it up, and the window's right there. Sorry, it's just bad lighting, but what's so cool, I brought this the first time, so clearly I really like it. I will also link it down below. It's just a portable nightlight. You tap it twice to turn it on, and then you hold your finger on it to make it more dim or more bright. And it's just so helpful when you don't want to switch on the lights. You just quickly tap this, and it's perfect for the feedings in the middle of the night, and it's so small that you can just throw it in your bag. Then I have my Toiletries, and I'll just quickly show you. Basically, I just went to Target and got mini everything. So mini deodorant, body wash, contact solution. I got a new contact case in here. I didn't wash my hair last time, and I don't plan on doing it this time either, because I don't want to, my hair needs a lot of upkeep. So if I wash it, then I have to bring all the products I want to use afterwards, and then it dries really ugly. But just in case, I will be bringing these, or if my husband wants to wash his hair. Let's see. Oh yeah, dry shampoo, toothpaste, toothbrush, makeup wipes, these cotton rounds that I use for my one of my face washes, hairspray, some like scrunchie and hair tie. I have a baby brush, what's this called, chapstick, and that's it. Okay, so moving on to clothes and stuff. Just going to be bringing a regular black tank top, these two bralettes. They're just the most comfy. Both of these are from Target. This is my favorite face mask. I feel like we're at that point where we all have found our favorite one. It's just this black one that is actually, my husband got it and I stole it because it fits perfectly. So bringing this, and then check with your hospital, but you do not need to bring pads, diapers. I'm trying to think, like just the care, the postpartum care. You don't typically need to bring that. Most hospitals will provide, but I am bringing two just pairs of like granny panties, because the day that we leave, I want to feel a little bit more secure down there, and so I want to wear some underwear, and I'm bringing two because why not. And then I lived in my robe the first time when we had Brindley. That was just the most convenient thing to throw on and off, and so I'm bringing this one. I got a different one this time, still from Pink Blush, really soft, and I just think that this is, for me, it's an essential, because you don't just want to, sometimes you don't want all the clothes on you. You just want to hurry and throw on your robe, feel a little covered up, and yeah, so I think that if you can, you should get one. Also bringing flip-flops. There's a lot of stuff coming out of you after you have that baby, and when you take a shower, it's just not, just take my word for it, you'll want to wear flip-flops while you're showering. And just get some really cheap ones that you can just throw away. I also lived in my slippers last time, so I'm bringing these ones, and I'm bringing two pairs of fuzzy socks that have grips on the bottom, and then two pairs of regular socks. I'm bringing a pair of lightweight pajama shorts that are just easy to throw on. And then just one set of pajamas. I don't think you need any more than that personally. So I have this one, really soft joggers with a matching top that's also super soft. It is October and I live in Utah, so that's why I'm bringing long sleeve items, and also just hospitals in general are usually cold, so even if you're gonna give birth and it's summer, it's still smart to pack both. And my going home outfit, I got these joggers from Amazon. I've actually never worn them. They are clearly good quality. They are really cheap, and I just wanted something I could throw on that I would feel comfortable in. They're really soft. And then over top of that, a oversized sweater. It's really warm inside, and just simple, just something easy and simple to throw on when you're going home. And the last thing is a towel. This is another thing I recommend, just like bringing your own blanket. It is so comforting to bring your own towel because they can be really small and scratchy, the ones that they have at the hospital. So if you have extra space, I'd recommend. I think that's it. I have a little zipper pocket. Let's see. Oh yeah. A grocery bag to throw in any dirty clothes. And that's it. That's all you need. You don't need to pack a whole bunch of stuff. This is pretty much what I packed last time, I think. But I feel really good about what I'm bringing. And then also, I want to wear like my favorite pair of comfy black leggings and my favorite sweater to the hospital. And my favorite bralette. So that if I end up wearing these clothes while we're there, and then when we're going home I need an outfit, I can just wear what I wore in, and I don't have to pack it. So I will have, I think the next video I will post is what's in my baby's hospital bag, and then I'll post the nursery tour because I'm so excited about it that I want to post it. And then hopefully baby's here. Hopefully. I'm thinking in 2 weeks she'll be here. So let me know if you guys have any questions. All of these items will be linked down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.